I've just come out of the trenches for
He
you.
has literal trenches. I've just had a haircut and it was a bit different. It was a bit bigger up top when I came out and it's kind of gone. Never mind.
Very American. From the late 50s.
Oh, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, with the skirts and the hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah. Anyway.
Oh.
Merry Vlogmas! I'm not even attempting to get him to do it because no. Mum is currently out playing bridge, and then Mum and I are out this evening for a party, and we're abandoning you with leftover lasagna.
I'm going to go to sleep. I'm absolutely finished.
You've been working hard all day, digging
My days of digging long trenches for concrete are long past. But here we go.
So
I can hold a box of chocolates.
Yes, please. 16th.
Oh.
Get in there. Hazelnut praline. Smooth dark chocolate enriched with roasted notes of hazelnut. I'm looking forward to that one. That one should be really good.
I didn't receive the chili chocolate.
No. I drank it all. It was delicious.
Yeah.
It didn't taste of. It didn't have like a chili.
It didn't even.
taste.
Not even. It wasn't.
Words are hard. But it did have that burn at the back of your throat that you get from a good chili. It was very delicious. And if you like that kind of thing, I would highly recommend. So we are on day 16, which is this one. Oh, I've had my nails done as well. So they're nice and shiny. And I've had my lashes done, so, you know, total pamper day. It's been
Somebody has to dig the trenches.
Quite lovely. Yes, poor Papa at home doing all the work.
Oh.
Is that the Titanic?
Quite possibly.
Looks like it.
Black penguins.
Do you know what I've done? I have left my phone. Have you got your phone on you?
No.
That was a silly question, wasn't it? I'm going to run and get my phone because I do need it so I can show you guys what's going on. So Dad's, I will leave you...
I'm reading the story.
Yes, and unattended with a camera. It's going to be fine.
Right. Can't even find it. Iceberg and penguins. I think I've worked it out.
Oh, it's cold out there.
Well, you photograph it first.
Is it the Titanic?
Yep.
Is it sinking?
Well, I've no idea, but I think I've worked it out.
Oh.
I haven't even looked at the clues yet. It's very good, isn't it?
Oh, are they little teeny tiny penguins?
Yeah, teeny tiny penguins.
Oh, okay.
But
and then those penguins are there. Okay. that doesn't give us much.
No.
No. No, it's just the Northern Lights. Aurora Borealis. So that makes a 6,
that one,
doesn't
that
it?
one. Yeah, that's a 6. Okay.
Is that a 7? Is that a 3, 6, 7?
Yeah. Okay.
Couldn't see the wood for the trees. Thank you very much. Now, we need to do tomorrow's as well, but we need to do it as a separate vlog because we're out all day tomorrow and we haven't got time to do this.
Oh.
So, cut, and that's time out. Cut. Okay. We'll start again. Yeah. So, you've just seen Dad and I do calendars. I did get some very exciting post this morning. I bought myself some more file folders for my paper and PDF patterns. I saw Rachel had bought some and I suddenly thought, oh, I haven't checked on Amazon for a while because the Elba file folders that I usually buy the packs of 50, which this is, usually, as long as you don't mind which colour you go for, you can get them for around 20, the best I've had was £17 for 50, but to £28. That particular listing was completely sold out, but I found another listing and these were £22 for 50, so I have bought myself another 50 in a variety of colours. My battery is dying, 2 secs. Just been waffling at you, I hadn't even pressed the record button. Oh good grief. Honestly, this is my job. I do this professionally. So I was saying, this is how I store my PDF patterns, and this is the Jackie dress. It's got the A0 printing in here, which I had done at Net Printers, I think. And it's also got the written instructions as well. I prefer to print out my written instructions unless they are super wordy and no pictures. In that case, I tend to just actually make it up as I go along. But for the Jackie dress, there's really good illustrations and I prefer written instructions because I like to make notes on them and tick things off as I've done them. And if I do that in a friction pen or a pencil, I can, you know, rub it out and start again the next time I make the pattern. I also write on the labels in friction pen so that if I do change my mind about the pattern, and I have got about 10 folders up there that are empty now because I don't like the pattern that had been stored in them, I can just use either the rubber on the bottom of the pen or some heat to get rid of the friction pen and just write a new label. The stickers don't peel off. I did try, but it's very easy to print a new sticker and put it over the top of whichever previous sticker it was. But I love these because they are gusseted, and these are elasticated, so you can actually store quite chunky patterns in there. I think you can just about see that there's lots of like grooves there, so you can bend this and make this quite a chunky file folder, which is good for some coat patterns, especially if you're having the A0 printed and then tracing the pattern itself, which personally I do. I know loads of people hate tracing and it's not for everybody, and I'm not saying it has to be for everybody, but for me, if I've spent money on either a pattern or having something printed A0 and it's multi-size, I want to preserve that for as long as possible, so I take tracings so that I can alter patterns like I did with this one. This is another version of the Jackie dress, and yeah, that's just how I store my patterns. And every now and again I will double check on Amazon to see if the file folders are available for less than 50 quid. The most expensive ones I've seen were £75 for 50, and they were the ones that I managed to get for 17 quid, and I was really worried they were going to be crappy ones, so I only bought one box of them when there were 2 available. When they arrived and they were amazing, I was like, oh, I went back to order the second box and they put the price up to £75. No. So yeah, I got these for 22 quid and I've got a bunch of different colours. Now, if I was being really kind of good, and I may do this at some point in the future, I would go through, because I have blue, green, orange, cream, purple, and now all of these colours. I'd go through and put specific patterns into specific coloured folders. I mean, ideally I would love them to all be the same colour, but I can't do that because it's not always the same colour that's at the reduced price when you go to look for them, which is why I've got so many colours. It's another reason that I like the idea of having a different type of pattern in each colour folder, but as I say, if I can't get, say for example, I put dresses in green, this green, and then I could only get 5 of them, and you know how many dresses I have, so you know that would never work. But do you know what I mean? I would hate to not be able to carry on that filing system. It's just, again, this is a very in-depth look into my weird little brain. So yeah, that's what I got from Amazon today, which was very exciting. And I will list to this in the description down below. These file folders are awesome. And as I say, you can get them inexpensively, but you do have to keep an eye on the Amazon listings and purchase them when you see them at a good price. And anything under 28 quid is a good price, I think. Right, so yeah, Mum and I are going to a party this evening and abandoning Papa. I will do a hot chocolate check-in, but I think I'm actually going to go up to the main house now and see if I can try and edit a video for tomorrow, because I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to film the stuff this evening, edit this evening, and get this uploaded in time for us to get up early tomorrow morning to go out to get over to the mainland to go and see James and Big Bird. I'm very much looking forward to it. I can do this. I can totally do this. There will be a video of some description coming out for you tomorrow. Fingers crossed. No, not fingers crossed. It will be happening. It will be happening. And then there will be a day out and about for you on Sunday, as well as a hangout. Actual sewing might happen at some point, but I'm not sure when, to be honest. I was meant to do 3 dresses this week. I have done 1 and I don't like it. I do like it, I just think I prefer patterns. It's so weird seeing me in a solid colour, so I do prefer pattern, but that could be just because that's what I'm used to. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you now because that was a lot of waffle, and I am going to go and make myself a hot chocolate, and I am then going to go out with Mum, so I'll try and film a little bit from this evening of what we get up to, and fingers crossed remember to say goodnight to you when I get home. So I'm going to go and do all that. It'll be fine. I have made Dad a hot chocolate, but I'm going to taste it first. That is very sweet. Right. Do you want it still?
Well, yeah, so have it. So.
It's...
No, you have to come round for it now.
You
get your arm over there.
You will need to... You need to drink that immediately because it's not hot. Has the dog had lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know she's coming tomorrow.
Yes.
I looked up the site and it said dog friendly.
Yeah.
Now I haven't phoned them up to see if that is right, but I'll argue with them when we get there.
Absolutely. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, here we go.
Well, it's okay actually. Yeah, surprisingly so.
Yeah, it's not sickly sweet. It's just, it's nicely sweet, but it is sweet.
Well, there you go. There's that review. I'm going to have my hazelnut praline one now.
I've woken the cat up. She's not pleased with me. I know I'm going to like this one. It smells like Ferrero Rocher. Oh, and it tastes like Ferrero Rocher as well. That is a good one. That is a very good one. I can't tell any difference between that and the nut milk one that I had earlier that's vegan. Both are delicious. Would highly recommend. Definitely going to purchase those ones again. Yum. So just waiting for Mum to come home. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do Mum's calendars today or tomorrow, to be honest. Probably not. So Mum's gonna have like three gins to drink when we get back, but I will try and remember to film some bits and pieces from this evening and show you what we get up to. Mum and I are home. We've had a lovely time. We dropped Ina and Irina off at their hotel. Yeah, it was really, really fun. They had loads of entertainment, so ballet dancers and jazz dancers and singers and live music. There was a Santa Claus for the kids as well. It was just lovely. Really nice food. They'd done an entire buffet and there was the main course and the dessert course, and oh my goodness, the homemade desserts were really good. Ina had made cinnamon rolls. They were amazing. So there's about 147 people there this evening, so yeah, it was really fun, and it's the first time I've been out of an evening for a very long time, so that was kind of weird driving home in the dark, but it was really, really lovely. I had a nice time, so thank you Mum for inviting me. But yeah, I'm going to try and edit this now because we, as I've mentioned earlier, I think when I was with Dad, we are going to see James and Nia tomorrow up in Winchester, so we've got an early start tomorrow as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the teeny tiny little bit that I filmed today. There will be more adventures off the island tomorrow as well, so I shall see you all then. Bye!